I appreciate everyone who attended my Zoom class today, the three women ladies, my normal three ladies that attended the Zoom, our Zoom. We actually probably got like an hour and a half, maybe hour, 40 minutes in. I was able to go over some materials, share some things, and help them with the lottery for tomorrow since it's almost tomorrow. So I appreciate you guys. And I'm going to put I think, in the community section, a table on whether you liked it or not and what did you get out of it. So I am just here to go over stuff for Eve and to show y'all a few things, and then I'm gonna get up out of here since we did do our Zoom teaching this morning and my Zoom classes, which was a success. We just did a tester because we want to see exactly how I'm gonna do it. So I'm just here to show y'all a few things, and I'm about to get some rest because I have to go to work in the morning. But I'm trying to reach another goal. It say if I get the 4K, something else would be an option. So I'm trying to see if I can do it. So appreciate everybody who's gonna be sneak watching because my watch hours still go up, and y'all still gonna get me to be where I need to be. So when my normal people get here, I'll show y'all what I need to show y'all, and then I'm gonna get some rest. If you don't come, somebody watching right now, I'm not sure if you're normal, you trolling, but whatever you doing, appreciate it. You making my watch hours go up, so knock yourself out. So as you know, my phone is on the table, but if I lift it up, I got shit written down, but it's not for everybody. So I'll wait a few seconds and then I'll talk to myself if I have to. I got three people watching, but I know it's more than three. But at this point, I don't give a shit because y'all still getting my watch hours up and I'm monetized now. So y'all gonna have to pay me to be nosy. So knock yourself out at this point. So let me turn my notebook to where I need to be. How much battery do I got? Okay. Hold on, I'm about to send my daughter this text message. And I should be right back. All right, I'm back. So we got 4 people watching, 2 people liked it. That's what's up. Yeah, might as well engage because you engaging or not engaging, I'm still monetized and I'm still getting watch hours in. So as soon as the normal people come, I'll show you what I need to show you. You take too long, I'm gonna talk to myself and then I'm gonna go to sleep for work in the morning. Again, I got, why is my my light on my phone? Hold on. The fuck that's it? Hold on, y'all. Bro, but it ain't on. Hold on, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Oh, that was it. Duh. All right, I'm gonna give y'all a few more seconds. And then I'm gonna pick the phone up and I'm gonna talk to myself. And then I'm gonna roll up and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Again, I appreciate those ladies that attended my Zoom class earlier from 6 to, we want to say, about 7:30. We got kicked off the first one because we ran out of time. But then I added another one, and we were able to get some things accomplished for a tester. So Zoom classes will be every Sunday, 6 p.m. EST. I'm not gonna beg you to come get some knowledge. So since y'all just watching and not saying nothing, and I'm monetized, so I appreciate y'all. Y'all could just sit there all day long because y'all making my watch hours go up. Let's get me to 4K. Okay, so 613 Michigan got midday. I showed y'all how to break this number apart to get your pairs. 38X is telling us 38X. Da da da. With a 38X, with a 38, you get a 1, a 2, a 5, or a 0. You put the 38 at the end. Michigan got 613. 613 is 10. You add these two digits together, you get a 1. A 1 is these pairs. You take these pairs to see if you see them up there. We've seen a 03X. A 03X will be an 8. Write it how they gave it to you. 85X is right here. 85X was your 3. 853 is your X now. You write how they gave it up to you up there. 76X probably came from this side, but we ain't over there yet, so we're going to keep it moving. Michigan got, this is for Eve, remember, AKA mid. Hi, not sure if you hear trolling or not, but knock yourself out. I'm monetized, so knock yourself out. So 827, remember Eve is AKA mid, meaning they could pull these numbers for midday. At this point, I don't care. So knock yourself out. So 827. I showed y'all how to break these pairs apart. You remember I told y'all how to do this, where the last 2 digits you get your pair. With 75, you get, with 75, 28109 is associated with 75. Remember, you put the number they gave you here at the end to get your last 2 digits. Oh yeah, you on that bullshit. Hold on. Let me get rid of you. Anywho, like I was saying, 827 is a 17, and you add these 2 digits together to get your single digit. An 8 give you these pairs. 89X, is it over here? No. Is it over here? Yes. 89X would be a 3. So they gave you 89 first, so 89, your X was a 3. You write how they gave it to you over here. 70X, 70X was your 5. Write it how they gave it to you over here. Wasn't a 61X over here. Wasn't a 61X over here. 52X is right here. 52X is a 7. Write how they gave it to you with the 52. Put the 7 at the end, which is the X. Write how they gave it to you. 43X. No. But over here, 43X is your 8. Write how they gave it to you. Hold on, y'all. Okay, right here. Michigan got 613, 3211. You remember you add 1 to each column till you get your original number. Same thing for the 4-digit. Add 1 to each column till you get your original number. Pay attention to my boxes. Those in my Zoom classes today understand what these boxes mean. If you didn't attend the Zoom classes, you wouldn't know, and that's your fault because you didn't invest in yourself to learn, and you didn't invest in me to help you and share this knowledge. So at this point, it's a personal problem. Look at this. Quad 4s, quad 9s, en route. What's around it? False quads. 8880. Look right here. Quad zeros. So you got 444, 999, 0000, or 0008, or 8000, 0001, 0001 is hot. Look, 0001, 0001, 0001. That's hot. Remember, you look at your first digit and you see what it is, and to find it on the chart I gave you. On the Zoom tonight, the Zoom classes, I did give them the information with the chart that I just made. I put it all on one piece of paper, those yellow piece of papers that I told you that divides our paper chapters in our notebooks. But you wouldn't know if you wasn't on this paid Zoom class, so that's neither here nor there. A 3 in the front and a 4-digit gives you 88X, 80X, 82X, 84X, 86X. This is the most important, Eve, aka midday. We got 827, add 1 to each row. Tomorrow's date sum is a 9 and a 4. That's why my 9 is darkened in. If you was on my Zoom class tonight, you would know why this is in a box. And look what's above it. 9493, 9498, 149 in between, 2149, 1261, 7694, 5671, 5661. Over here was the original number for Eve. For Michigan, you add 1 to each row till you get the original number. Look around my boxes. Look, false quads. 9979 is around them zeros. 88998, 8687, 8868, 1189. You see, I'm just looking around the zeros. 1189, 1189, that's just hot. 3302, 5524, 5525, and so on. Pay attention to this. When the 7 lead, these pairs follow. Look, 22XX, ain't that? 22XX, 20. 20XX, 20XX, 20. 24XX, 20. But it wasn't a 26XX and it wasn't a 28XX. But right here, you just match it up. Hold on, I'm about to put y'all on the table so I can grab the next one. Oh yeah, I forgot to do an all state, but y'all should know how to do an all state by now. All right here. Hold on, y'all. Right here, Michigan got 613 midday and 3221. Wait, 613 for the 3-digit and 3221 for the 4-digit. You remember you add each number up till you get to the final digit. 4 and 9 is the date sum for today because we 5 minutes to the next day or whatever. So 4 and 9, no. 7, tomorrow's 12. Yeah, 7 and 2 is 9. So 4 and 9 should be darkened in on the Eve side. Look around your boxes. 1015, 1016, 1014, 1047. Look, 1376. 1066. Over here, look, 0994, 9094. Around my boxes, 6169. So yeah. Hold on, y'all, I'm changing pages. Okay, Michigan, we got 4. Oh, I did that already. I should have done that earlier, I think. I don't feel like going over it. I got shit to do. I'm tired. And I already did my Zoom class earlier. Hold on, switching pages. Okay, so for this one, Michigan Midday, you remember the top part is going to be your method. The next number in red is going to be the number that we got. Same as I've been telling y'all, y'all add each row up until you get the original number. These are the pairs that could either be in your 4-digit or these could be your 3-digit. You remember I told y'all I was going to show y'all how to do this method. While I showed the young ladies on my Zoom class that have paid to be on the Zoom class, I showed them how to do this method and what I'm doing in this method. So they got it, which is awesome. To know how to do this method, you can pay to get on the Zoom class. My Zoom classes will be every Sunday at 6 p.m. EST. But ladies that I showed how to do it, this is what I got. So you match this up and see if you see anything right there. So the first one is 386X. Your X will end up being a 3. Did we see a 386? Yep. 386X will be a 1. 20. So what I do now, though I know the 1 will be an X, so 1386. Hopefully I see how I did that. 441, no. So it looks like we didn't get nothing until we got 8XX1. Let me see. 8XX1. Probably on the other side, but that's how you do it. So this number is missing. 9405 is missing. 0639 is missing. 2097 is missing. Right here for Eve. Hold on, y'all. Okay, right here for Eve, we got 7746. You add all the digits together until you get the original number. You do this method that I taught on my Zoom class today, and then you try to see if you see these pairs. So your first pair is going to be 801X. Do we see an 801? No. So it looks like we don't see, the only number from here we're going to see is 526. Let's see. And it's right here. 526X. Your X will be a 1. So I put 1, that we know is an X, 526. And with that 681, that's the same thing as this. They just switched the orders. So these is basically 20. It could either come this way or it could come this way. X306 is missing, so I seen it as 9306. X26 is missing, so I seen it as 1526. Again, that X681 is missing. You remember it was a 3. So 3618, or it could come 3186, Michigan. 9104 is missing for Michigan. Pay attention to your asterisks. Hold on, I'm about to sit y'all down real fast. Oh, yeah, I got one more to do after this. And we're going to call it a night. At work in the morning. Hold on, I'm about to pick y'all up in a minute. Okay, so right here, Michigan got 827, 7746. I already told y'all 8 flips into a 1. You add the last 2 digits. That would give you 57X. You should know how to get this by now. With a 57, 28109 is associated with each other. And y'all remember I told you 109 and 2 will always be together. And as you can see, it's always together. 0192 will always be together. Put that in your fanny pack. So 57X will give you that. I see these pairs returning off of that 827. 82X is going to return. 27X is going to return. 78X is going to return. For this method, you take the number that we got. You add 1111, which is the method. You take it and you subtract. 111 is the method. Pay attention to the number that it gives you, 8857 6635 when you subtract it. 8179 8176 7960 7962 7961. Pay attention to these. Y'all should already know if it's purple what it means. With this is another method. These are the pairs I see from that method. You remember, take these pairs and see if you see it up here. We see a 73x. Look, 73x would be a 5. So 735, 5 would be a x, and then you write how they gave it to you. Of that 827, 372 is the mirror of it. When you add it together, that gives you a 12x, which is the sum. Right here, look, 1111, quad ones. 821 is hot because it's right here. It's right here. It's on there twice. 811 is hot. It's right here and it's right here. 118 is hot. 112 is hot. Then we got 111. We got 1118, which is hot because it's on there twice. And then we got 1112. 1112 is hot because it's on there twice. With this method, you're going to get 19x. These are the 3 ways that you could break that 19x down. Pull these numbers out of here. Hold on, I'm about to show y'all this last thing. All right, on my Zoom class tonight, we took it back to this method I had showed y'all in the live video. And with midday, we got that 613. You remember I told you with this, you look and see what numbers are not in the hit. The numbers not in the hit is in red. Missing digits from hit. For those who don't comprehend, I'll put a note right here. I showed you how to pull out the pairs on live on Facebook, on YouTube. And I broke it more down in my Zoom class that I did today. Appreciate the 3 ladies that attended. So, Michigan, what did we get for Eve? 827. Look inside the missing numbers. 8 right here, 2 right here, and a 7. 827 was missing from that 613. You see how they go pull the numbers out? So right here, I did the same thing, but look at this. I see 93x. I see 61x. I see 15x. I see 04x. I see 13x. I see 36x. And these are the missing numbers that I see from Michigan. And if you look, they in there. Look, 935. 935, ain't that missing? 931. 931, ain't that missing? 136. 136, ain't that missing? 349. 349 is missing. 059 is missing from Michigan Stats. Look, 059, ain't it missing? That's why it's in red. Pay attention. 059 missing from Michigan Stats, and it's also missing from the missing number from Eve. Don't sleep on that. 094. 094, ain't it missing right here? 106. 106, ain't it missing right here? You see what I'm doing, right? 569. 569 is missing right here. 491. 491 is missing, is right here. 654. 654 is missing. Look for the 4 digit. 4653. Look. 4, 6, 5, 3 is most definitely missing. 106. I think I might have did that twice. I did, but 106 again. 643. 643. Ain't that missing? 1934. Look. 1934. Ain't that missing? 543. 543. Ain't that missing? 019. 019. So what you can also do is take these missing digits and go to, let me show you what I just looked up. Oh, yeah. These are also some pairs I see that I pulled out of here. Pay attention to the highlighted numbers. So what I just did earlier, I took these numbers and I went to one of these. Hold on. I'm going to show y'all what to do real quick. So I went to this at the bottom of the 0165 method. Hold on. I'm about to show y'all something real quick. So I folded my paper in half where I got the 0615 method and I got this method. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at the numbers that they gave us. They gave us 8970. Do you see a 8970 in here? No. They gave us 9104. Do you see that in here? Yup, look. 9104 is missing. You see what you're doing? You taking this and you going in your rundowns and see if any of these numbers that they gave us is missing. So 0338, let's see. 033, nope, we move on. 1562, look. 156, nope. 2796, nope. 3920, let's see. 3920, nope. 4154, no. But look at this one. 6512. 6512, no. But y'all get what I'm doing. You just take, oh, you can also do it up here. So 966, no. So 021, no. 186, no. 241, no. But look at 306. 306. Ain't that? Look, didn't I say 9306 was missing? 9306. So that's just something y'all could put in your fanny pack. Hopefully y'all enter and overstand it for a better understanding. You could either buy a membership off this page, or you could send that CA for you to get in the net Zoom class, which will be Sunday at 6 p.m. EST. Good night.